नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपको हमारे चैनल में स्वागत है। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल यूनटेक वर्ल्ड। Hello friends, today's video topic is how to add end screen in your YouTube videos. While certainly a source of entertainment, YouTube is also incredible platform for market to use, especially since it is the second largest search engine in the world. Its users take action based on videos they see. 70% of them report buying from a brand after seeing their contents on YouTube. So most of the peoples are seeing YouTube videos, but the YouTube uploaders don't know how to add the end screen. It is very important thing to add the templates after the end screen. Before entering the video, you are added your thumbnails in your YouTube videos. After uploading or before submitting your videos, you can be add your end screen. So on this video tutorial, I am explaining how to add the end screen in your exiting or new adding videos. So how? This is the today's question and today's video tutorial topic. So let's moving on the today's video tutorial. Before entering the video, you are watching first time in our channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and choose the bell icon to all notification. You can get regular video updates in your YouTube page. So let's move on the video. In this video tutorial, I am explaining how to add an end screen. It is very simple. You need to sign in your YouTube studio. Then you can see the left menu, select the content and click the video would you like to edit. Click the end screen box and choose the element you want to add and click to save. It will be effective on your YouTube videos. So let's move. I have already signed in my YouTube page and you can see the left menu is a content menu. Scroll down your videos, which video you want to add the end screen. Click on this details button. Once the details is entered and you can see right side, scroll down to right side end screen and cards. If you want to add end screen on your video, click on the end screen button. The new pop-up will be open here. End screen is available for element. This type of end screen here you can see subscriber Untitled Chapter video best for viewers, playlist, MCQ, channel, hintage. This type of end screen you can be adding by your videos. The end screen will start on 6 minute 31 second and it will be close on 6 minute 51 second. During 20 seconds, this end screen will be shown on your videos. The play will start on 6 hours 31 seconds. This type of end screen will be displaying on your every videos. So how? Let's move. This video having no end screen. You can see no end screen is displaying on this video. So how to add? Here you can see you want to add your import from any video. In your future video you need to add the end screen. Yeah, you can click on the element. You can see video, playlist, subscribe, channel. These 4 things to be added by your end screen. So now I am adding one is, and you can see the templates. It is from import from latest video, one video plus subscribe, and one playlist plus subscribe, and 2 videos, and one video, one playlist, and last one is one video, one playlist, and one subscribe. So I am choosing this template, one video, one playlist, and one subscribe. You can see the subscribe is defaultly came from Untitled World, and you can change the most recent upload, best for viewer, choose specific video. If you have any specific video, you can choose it from your end screen. So I am choosing this IRCTC is my end screen. And playlist, you want to add your playlist, click on the playlist. You can choose any one of the playlist. Before adding playlist, you want to create your YouTube videos in your playlist page. So I am choosing this MCQ is in my playlist. After that you need to add something like video can be added from here. So this is enough for me. So I can click on the save and this will be effective on my YouTube page. One more thing I need to show you cards. What is card? Card will be displaying on this top corner. You want to add this card, so go to channel. You can search UN Tech World. Select the cards and custom message you need to add UN Tech World. Click to save. This type of cards will be displaying on your page. You want to add the playlist and choose this playlist is online updates and change the time. The card will be displaying on 2 minutes. After the 2 minutes the card will be displaying. Okay, and the custom message is optional, so there is no need to add. Click on save. It will be effective on your YouTube page. If you want to add more cards, click on playlist, choose on your stock market and change the timing is 3rd minute and save. So this is the end of today's video tutorial, is how to add end screen cards in your new video and exiting video. You can add any time in your exiting video to add end screen and card, and anytime you can change your end screen and cards. I think this video is very helpful to add your end screen and cards in your videos. If you have any kind of query, you may text me on our comment box. We will shortly replying your comments and queries. Thanks for watching and keep watching our future videos. So you can subscribe and click the bell icon to choose all notification. You can get our regular video updates in your YouTube page as well as notification area. Thanks to watch this video and we will meet on our next video. So for the time being, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.